All right. In this short training, I'm going to be going over how to add a course. So under my courses, you can go to add training course, and it'll begin to ask you for the course name, the course tagline, the course details. And as you can see here, you got the WYSIWYG where you can edit the format of the text, bold it, italic, left, middle, right, put a bullet on it, and upload pictures. You can actually also put in the amount that you want to sell the course for. Give a one-time payment, monthly payment, half yearly payment, or yearly payment. You can select the language here. You can select the course category here, enable it for the marketplace, and then activate the course so that it can be purchased when you put it in the marketplace or advertise and market it. Put the professor name, professor tagline, also the professor details. You also have the option of uploading the professor picture. So if you want your picture on there, you can actually do that as well. So once all of this is filled out, all you got to now do is go ahead and add the course. I'll see you on the next module.